Imagine yourself in this Kia 2020 Sportage SX Turbo. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are leather seats, traction control, ABS and driveline, power heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, signal mirrors, turn signal and mirrors, navigation system, with voice activation, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, heated driver's seat and daytime running lights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.